Hello, my name is Lanise Mitchell, and this is my lesson plan interview 7-minute video for Breakthrough Collaborative for the summer of 2013. So today, class, we will learn about two-step equations. At the end of class, you will be able to evaluate a two-step equation. But first, we have to learn the beginning parts. So, for a two-step equation, you are going to have a variable term. A variable term is a term that is being multiplied or divided by a variable, divided from a variable. So I'm going to show you two examples of how it will be. So you will have either 2x plus 7 equal to 2, or you may have 4x, not 4x, maybe just x. X divided by 2 minus 7 equals 14. So your variable term in this first equation will be 2x because it's being what to the variable? Being multiplied by the variable. And this one, our variable term, so we're going to name this VT, is equal to 2x. And our VT in our second equation will be what?
X over 2.
Right. X divided by 2 is our variable term in this equation. So after we learn our variable term, then we may move on to being able to understand our inverse operations. Inverse operations are operations that undo each other. So the inverse of addition is subtraction, and the inverse of multiplication is division, and vice versa. So if we have x plus 2 is equal to 4, we will have to do an inverse operations to the number 2 so that we can get x by itself. So the way we do that, we will have to subtract 2 from both sides. So we will have minus 2 minus 2. We do this so that the x can be isolated on one side. So we're going to do, because 2 minus 2 is 0, so these cancel out. So we're left with x equals 4 minus 2. So x is equal to, 4 minus 2 is what, class? 2. All right. So our x is equal to 2. So for the equation of x plus 2 equals 4, our x is 2. And we can also plug that back into our equation to make sure our answer is right. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. What's 2 plus 2, class?
4.
4 equals 4. So it means we did our work correct. So after this, we will then be able to move on to how you evaluate a two-step equation. After you evaluate a two-step equation, you're going to use the same technique we did for the one-step equation. So our two-step equation may look a little like this. 2x plus 4 equals to 10. So our first step in our two-step equations will be to subtract 4 from both sides. So this would be minus 4 and minus 4. Our 4's cancel out, so we are left with 2x equals 10 minus 4. What is 10 minus 4, class?
10 minus 4 is 6.
Yes. So, after we get this, we get 2x is equal to 6. And then we have to still isolate our variable. So then we have to divide each side by 2. So then x is equal to 3. Because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in the equation of 2x plus 4 equals 10, our answer is x is equal to 3. So we can go back and check our work. So this is 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. 2 times 3 is what, class? 6. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. We still don't know if this is correct, so we put a question mark at our equal sign. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 does equal 10, so our work is correct. That make sense?
Yep.
So another way that our two-step equations may be written is if it's division. So it may be written as x over 2 minus 4 is equal to 8. So we would add 4 to both sides. So then we get x over 2 is equal to 8 plus 4. X over 2 is equal to 12. Then we have to multiply each side by 2. So x is equal to 24. Does that make sense, class?
Yes.
Alright. So, another easy way to remember two-step equations in the order you do them would be this chair that I made up. So the chair goes like this. First you write the equation, then you isolate. Add or subtract, then divide or multiply. Would you like to come up and say this with me?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. First you write the equation, then you isolate. Add or subtract, and divide or multiply. Alright, so will that chair help you for two-step equations?
Yes, it will.
Did you like to try?
Okay, first you write the equation, then you isolate, then add or subtract, divide or multiply.
So that was my video and lesson plan for Breakthrough at Miami for two-step equations in mathematics. All right, thank you so much. See you later.
Wait. It's not stopping. Wait. It's not stopping. Why is it not stopping? Oh, wait, it froze.